My dream business is formal attire and decent attire to be professionalism. Man, I need in my business 50. Material, sustainable and ethically sourced like organic cotton, silk, and nylon. Money, total capital needed in 3 months to prepare is 1,270,000. Management, set clear goals for growth of the business organization and sustainability. Machinery, sewing machines, cutting tables, pattern making software, fabric printers. Supplier, in my business I need to have many suppliers so that if I only have one suppliers and he has a small amount of raw materials, I have to get another one because I don't have just one supplier and customer. Your product should be in line with the trends so you can grow your business quickly and make sure your product is quality. Market intermediaries, online retailer selling my business clothing through the internet. Competitors, you should know what is the weakness in your competitors. Public, you should must be sponsored so that your business can be recognized. Macro, political, in my business I will follow the policies and the law because if I will not follow the policies and law, my business is banned. That's why you should follow the policies and law, and you should relationship with the other countries. Socio-cultural environment, adapting to shifting fashion trends and cultural sensitivities. Technological, you should apply technological in your business to see your business is unique in the other business group. Demographics environment, my target age is 20 to 45, millennials, Gen Z, and professionalism. Professional. International environment, it expand market opportunities leading to increased demand for products and service worldwide. Natural environment, light clothes like cotton shorts or soft blazer, blouse, t-shirt, skirt. Demographic environment, market analysis, it is important to follow or use the current trends in marketing your business in order to reach the most appropriate customer and for your business to grow efficiently. Cyclical changes, the profit of my business depend on the numbers of the demand and supply. Market size, the global corporation fashion market in my business was valued 5 million and its project to reach 20 million by 2035, 10 years. So dapat makuha na ko ang 20 million in 10 years. Infrastructure, internet speed and price is one of the serious infrastructure, internet speed and price is one of the issues that the business has considered in the domestic environment. Labor, they should know how to do her job because sewing clothes is not easy. That's why you should know your skills of your employee. And the fourth is liability protection, separates personal and business assets to avoid bankrupt in your business. Thank you. Organizational instructor, CAO, secretary, manager, TL. TL is a team leader and 10 salesman and men. For manager, 1 day off, 1 morning shift, 1 mid and 1 night shift. The same as TL. And 10 salesman and men, 1 person day off and 3 morning, 3 mid and 3 night shift. Other agency, manager and for security guard. The same as for manager, 1 day off, 1 morning shift, mid and night shift. For security is 1 day off and 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. and 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Wanted in my business is graphic designer, marketing manager, sales manager, seamstress of sales requirements, male and female, 2 years experience. For salary, graphic designer 20k to 45k per month. For marketing manager, 50k to 80k per month. For sales manager, 40k to 70k per month. Shingman or tigtahi kay 20k to 35k per month na. And sales kay above minimum man ta, so 18k to 30k. Requirements, send your resume brianblom@gmail.com. Contact number is 0909-189-7252, 0946-153-4094. And by the end of 2035, achieve 20 million in annual group sales, and we contribute 2% in homeless and PWD people. Brian Blom core official management principle like prioritizing customer and create new needs. Like sabay ta sa trend ba para dili mabihay na ang ato ang business. Embracing innovation, adapting to changes, and acting with speed. Fostering teamwork while respecting individual autonomy. Focusing on product and stores as a direct link to customers. Pursuing global growth with diverse talent. Maintaining fairness and performance based on evaluation. External communication. Digital platform like social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok for product updates and promotion. Digital transformation. To create customers online, Brian Blom must use data to understand digital behavior and deliver personalized. Sustainable growth. Creating long-term customers requires addressing their growing demand for eco-friendly products. To motivate them, I offer incentives like quota. If your department achieve 2 million in 1 year, you have 5%. I choose the laissez-faire because I always trust my employees. If you don't have trust your employees, your business is not going to succeed. Sa controlling the standard, within 45 seconds of a customers entering the store, approaching a product. 45 seconds dapat na naka sa atubangan sa customer para mag kuan ka sa product na nako. Cost control, raw material procurement, optimize the procurement process, negotiate with suppliers to obtain favorable prices and ensure the quality of raw material. Mao na kong gipili cause not all time your business is grow. That's why I use cost control. Brian Bloom aligned performance with its life wear. Mission by measuring 4 Ks. Financial, customer, processes, learning growth, and what might be to be action to be taken if performance have negative variance. I will retrain workers on a specific task. That's all guys. Thank you.